Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Play Legend of Zelda Minish Cap. Last time we got to the mines on Mount Cornell. We have to find Malari, so... No, not in here. Let's see what this guy has to say. The mines belong to Malari and us, his 7 apprentices. Did you ting along all this long way to get your sword repaired? The boss is down on the lowest level. Oh, well, thanks, I guess. That tells us right where he is. See? It's useful to talk to people, guys. Hey, what a jerk. Well, here he is, I guess. Green clothes and odd hat? Sir, might you be young Sam? I am Malari Master Smith. I hear you want me to reforge the sacred sword and help break a curse. I'll be kneading the old sword which holds the power of the elements first. Show me that broken Picori blade. I love all these adventures, what with the rescuing of princesses and such. I'll be happy to reforge this thing into a brand new sacred blade for you. It'll take me a while to rework your sword. In the meantime, you should track down the missing elements. Excuse me. One of them should be in the mine the humans dug. It's not far from here. Alright, let's get started. Sam, there'll be a while, Sam. Let's lead them to it and find that element. Okay. Okay. Well, I mean, we already have one. Why didn't that just work? What? You're going to the mine? Oh shit, I didn't know we had to talk to this guy. Okay. If you talk to the boss, I won't stop you, but be careful. Oh. Okay. Order of the sacred power. We grant your power of the wind. Hey, that stone marker crumbled, and there's another one of those symbols. You know, no matter how many times I see that happen, it still rattles me. Okay, that's really useful. Cave of Flames. Wow, it's hot in here. How come? Oh, wait. Wow, it's hot in here. Come on, let's not stand around wasting time. Find that element so we can get out of here. A fire temple already. Wow. Nice. Dude, I can't pull that one. That one must be fake or something. That's what I needed. Thank you. And apparently we can't go here yet because I can't get through, so screw it. Ow! Yeah, that worked. Oh wow. Ironic. That freaking hurt. Oh, bummable wall up ahead. Anyways. Alright. What a... Huh? Oh! The shield is actually useful. Oh fuck. I mean, you guys didn't hear that. Oh my god. That was more trouble than it was worth. You got the compass. I mean, no one needs the compass ever. I mean, maybe sometimes, but not really. Oh, Jesus, what the hell is that? I'm guessing this. Great, put it on the wrong freaking button. Huh? 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 Stay away! Stay away! Huh? 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 Get off! Jeez! At least it didn't do anything like a like. That would have been annoying as hell. Hold on. Okay. Just making sure. Just like places like that just always confuse them. Oh, the shield is really handy in this game. Oh. Jerks. Something with tracks apparently. That door's closed. Oh wait, this door's open. What am I doing? Oh, these guys. Whoa. Trying to get me, huh? This must be what the humans who built this mine used to get around in here. Maybe we should hop in. What? After all this, you don't expect me to believe you're scared? There's nothing to be afraid of here. Come on, let's go. Yeah, that's really refreshing when you're the one that was scared in the first freaking dungeon. Wow, he's really scared. Sweet jumping jellyfish, that was awful. Hey kid, what are you smiling about? I knew it was madness to risk our lives in that rickety human contraption. Well, let's just stick to our feet. Well, I mean your feet. Alright, never mind. Never going through that again. Oh, jerk. Oh. Oh, that hurt. Alright. Oh, dude, my shield was up. How did that hurt me? Excuse me. Oh, 2 for 1. Oh, dude, a minish thing. Hey, interesting. So there's a portal hidden away in here, huh? Whenever you want me to shrink you down, just hop up here and press R. That was the worst way to read it ever. Alright. Okay. Crap. Deeper than what it was to us. I don't think I'm supposed to jump down there to here. Besides, okay, how come he can fall through there, but he can't fall down that freaking hole? Oh, jeez, I got hurt. Can I put out these fires? Oh, screw that. That was retarded. All that for a kinstone piece? Jeez. Oh my, it looks really, really hot in that lava. Trust me, falling into that would be a bad idea. I'm sure you agree. Right. Oh, fudge sickle. Thank goodness we're not timed. Hold on. Okay, just making sure. Oh, moving platforms. Oh, bull! Bull! No. I wasn't risking it. Whoops. That was great. Awesome. Freaking great. Wow. 50 rupees. Dude, do those guys not respawn? Oh, well, okay, never mind. You don't have. I don't have to use them. Dude, I guess I have to float over. Oh, freak! No, turn around. Oh, there's another whirlwind there. Okay, never mind. Alright, let's see if I can make it. Please. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Barely. Okay, now I can... I'm guessing you put this in that hole. Oh crud, I almost screwed myself over. I mean, that's the only way I can think to make sense of it. We can do it! Yeah, see? Okay. We got a small key, alright. And with that, I think we made pretty good progress through this temple so far. So, I'll see you guys next time on Let's Play Legend of Zelda: The Minish Cap.